Welcome back, dear student. How are you all? I know you all are doing good. And today I will be taking your GK class and we will start from chapter 16, Indian Abroad. So I request all of you to please sit with your books and stationery available so that you can keep writing the answers. And today we are going to talk about and read about the people who are originally belongs to Indian origin, but they are settled in other countries, not in India. They are settled outside the Republic of India. So we will be talking about their work, their achievement, and how do they make us feel proud. So now let's get started. It's many Indians leave their motherland and settle in foreign countries. They do not live permanently in a particular country. They are called non-resident Indian, NRIs. We should be proud of their achievement. Read the clues and identify them by picking their name from the help list. So number 1 in the list is, she was born in England, grew up in USA. She is a writer of many famous books. She won the Pulitzer Prize in her book, Interpreter of Maldives. And the answer is Jhumpa Lahiri. Please keep writing the answer. The answer is Jhumpa Lahiri. The second one in the list is, he was renowned Indian-born British novelist. He was born in India, Indian-born British novelist. He won the Booker Prize for his novel Midnight Children. So he won the prize for Midnight Children. His name is Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is the name. Now third one in the list is, she is Indian American astronaut. We may be thinking about the Kalpana Chawla, and one is Sunita Williams. Okay, she is an Indian American astronaut. She has been on record setting mission for the International Space Station, that is ISS, for 195 days. She stayed in space for around 195 days. It was the longest period spent in space by a woman, and that is Sunita Williams from Indian origin, who spent maximum days on the space, the first woman who spent the maximum time in the space. The third and the fourth one, he is the CEO of Microsoft Corporation. We know him all, Satya Nadella. He is the CEO of Microsoft Corporation, Satya Nadella. And there is a help box given at the end of the page. You can check the spelling from there. You can mark 1, 2, 3 there as well. So number 5 on the list is, she was a TV host. She is a TV host, film actress, and a writer of many famous books of cookery. And the name is Madhur Jaffrey. Madhur Jaffrey is the name. She is the TV host and an actress, and she wrote many books on cookery. Now let's see the sixth one in the list. That is a Nobel laureate of Padma Vibhushan awardee. He is an elite member of the US Academy of Sciences. So the name is Venkateshwaram Ramakrishnan. Venkateshwar Ramakrishnan is the name of the person who is the Nobel laureate, who won the Nobel laureate and Padma Shri Bhushan award. Now let's see the other one in the list. Seventh, a renowned filmmaker. She is known for her book like The Namesake. The famous book name is Namesake, and The Monsoon Wedding. We know her. It's Meera Nair. Meera Nair is the one who is famous for, writing the book Namesake and Monsoon Wedding. Yeah, it's a movie also. And now, eighth one in the list is, he was a former microprocessor boss of Intel. He created a Pentium processor. The name of the person is Vinod Dham, who created a Pentium processor. Now let's see the ninth one in the list, that is, he established a large business empire in Great Britain called Capro Group. He took over the Chancellor of University of Westminster in Britain. The name of the person is Lord Swaraj Paul. One in the list is the world's top steel baron and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel producing company with operation in many countries. The name is Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. We know him, and he's a famous personality, and we are really proud of what they are doing it. And as an Indian, we really admire their work. And this is the end of this chapter. Now let's move on to the other chapter, that is the Path Breaker, chapter 17. So now we will start our next chapter, that is chapter 17, Path Breaker. Now we will talk about the people who have done extremely good in their field and they have really break the paths. So now answer the following question by choosing the correct word from the help list. The first in the list is, who was the first Indian female who swam across the English Channel? She has really covered a huge distance. And the name of the girl is Aarti Saha. Aarti Saha is the girl who have crossed the English Channel by swimming. Second one is, who was the first Indian woman Prime Minister and recipient of Bharat Ratna? She is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Please keep noting the answers. The second one in the third one in the list is, who was the first Indian to win the individual Olympic gold medal? The answer is Abhinav Bindra. He is the one who have win the individual Olympic gold medal. Now the fifth one, who was the first Indian General Governor? The Indian General Governor is Raja Gopalachari. Raja Gopalachari is the first Indian Governor General. Who was the first woman governor of the state in independent India? Independent India, the female is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Please keep writing the answer. Sarojini Naidu was the first person who became the first Governor General of the state in independent India. And the next one is, who was the first Army Commander-in-Chief of independent India? Who was the first Army Commander-in-Chief of independent India? The answer is General Cariappa. General Cariappa is the first person who was the Governor General, Commander-in-Chief in the independent India. Okay, the next one in the list is, who was the first Indian woman who climbed to Mount Everest? The first female who climbed the Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is the one who first climbed on the Mount Everest. The other one, who was the first Indian Nobel laureate? Rabindranath Tagore got the first Indian laureate award. Who was the first British Governor General of independent India? Independent India, first Governor General is Lord Mountbatten. And please keep writing the answers, okay? The next one is, who was the first Indian woman to win Miss Universe title? That is Shashmita Sen. She was the one who wins the first Miss Universe title. Who was the first, okay, so this is done. Who was the first British General Governor? I'm sorry, this is repetition. Next one is, who was the first Indian male to swim across the English Channel? So now it's male, and the name is Mihir Sen. Mihir Sen is the one who crossed the English Channel, and Aarti Saha is the female Aarti Saha is the first female who crossed the English Channel, and Mihir Sen is the male person who crossed the English Channel. The next is, who was the first Indian in space? Remember, I taught you in the previous chapter in geography, first Indian in space. Remember, in geography chapter 1, Earth and Solar System, we have studied, and the name is, guess, it's Rakesh Sharma, right? Rakesh Sharma is the person who went to space who was the first Indian who went to space. Okay, 13-1. Who was the first Indian woman to travel to the Antarctic? The answer is Sudeepa Sen-Gupta was the person who first traveled to the Antarctic. And the 14th in the list, who was the first woman to become President of India? Mrs. Pratibha Dev Singh Patil. Mrs. Pratibha Dev Singh Patil was the first Indian president, okay, female president of India. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? The name is W.C. Banerjee. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope you got the inspiration from these people, and one day you also make us feel proud, proud Indian, and definitely you all have that caliber. It's all you need to understand, your inner strength, and one day you also become something, and you will also achieve something great which make us feel proud of you. And that's all from my end, and take care of yourself till we meet in the next GK class. Bye bye.